Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be talking about the MAC matte lipsticks in this video. I have three of them. I'll be doing hand and lip swatches for all of them, and I'll be discussing the shades and formula a little bit, and also do a quick glam makeup look to go with the lipsticks. So if you're interested in these lipsticks and want to find out how they look on brown skin tone, then keep watching. So this is the look we are doing today. It's a very simple glam makeup with three different lipsticks. So trying on my three favorite MAC lipsticks. If you're interested in this look and want to see my try on lipstick swatches, then please keep watching, and yeah, let's get started. So I have three shades: taupe, stone and Russian red, and all of them are matte. Taupe is a beautiful neutral pink nude, and it looks good on most skin tones. I'm a NC42 and this is how it looks on my skin tone. The formula of these lipsticks are beautiful. They're matte but they're not drying at all, and they keep the lips moisturized, and the pigmentation is insane. They're one swipe pigmentation, as you can see, and you do not need to build up the colors at all. Staying power is alright. They're not transfer resistant as most lipsticks, but they definitely stay on longer than regular lipsticks. Next is Stone. Stone is also a matte, and it's a grayish nude brown kind of a shade. It's really unique and it looks really pretty on the lips. It just brightens up your complexion. It's not a very conventional color. It's a little unique, and it's not your everyday kind of a color, but whenever you wear it, it just feels so good. The final shade is Russian red, and it's a beautiful classic matte red. Russian red is a pure red. It's neither warm toned nor cool toned. It's just the perfect shade of red, and it looks good on everyone. Now this red is definitely a must have. It's not only super pigmented, but the color is just so perfect. And like I mentioned before, the formula is stunning. It's smooth, it's buttery, it's hydrating, and also super matte. Now let's get started with the makeup before we start swatching the lipsticks on the lips. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette Red Alert for this look. It's a super simple glam look which is super fast and easy to achieve, and you need very few shades for this. So the first shade that I'm using today is this peachy brown matte eyeshadow. I'm using that on my entire eyelid and slowly building that color up. Next, I'm gonna be using this beautiful matte purple eyeshadow and use that on my crease and lid. Then taking the same purple on a pencil brush and using that on my lower lash line. Then blending the purple with the first peachy brown color with a flat shader brush. Next, I'm gonna be taking this bronzy gold color and use that in the middle of my eyelid. I'm using the Makeup Revolution So Fix highlighting palette, and from that palette I'm gonna be taking this beautiful unicorn purple highlighter and use that on my inner corners, in the middle of my eyelid and on my brow bone. Next I'm gonna do my winged liner. I'm using a white gold on my waterline, and this one is by Wet n Wild. Highlighting my cheekbones with the same highlighting color that I used on my inner corners, brow bone and the middle of my eyelid. So I'm using the blush after highlighting my cheekbones, as I wanted to diffuse the highlighter a bit. I'm using the Lakme blush duo in the shade Rose Blush. I wore lashes off camera, and now let's try on our lipstick. So the first color that I'm trying on is Taupe. Taupe is a beautiful neutral pinky nude lipstick, and it looks good on most skin tones, and this is how it looks on me. So as I mentioned, I'm a NC42. Taupe is a perfect everyday lipstick. The next lipstick that I'm trying on is Stone, and this is how the lipstick looks. It's a very unique shade. It's a grayish brownish kind of a neutral nude lipstick, and this looks really pretty on the lips. It's really unique and it just brightens up your face, and it's definitely not an everyday color. And the final shade that we are trying today is Russian Red. It's a classic red. It's a neutral toned red, not warm toned or cool toned, and it looks good on everyone. It just brightens up your face, and it's a classic red you can never go wrong with. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.